Thumbnail. Hey guys, Michael here. Happy Friday, April, what is it, 16th, I think today. So yeah, I'm back. I'm not dead. Brittany did not kill me. So yeah, I'm back on the YouTube grind. Just kidding. What's it called? I've been here all the time. I wanted to share, what's it called? Everyone was asking for Brittany to do videos, so, but now I'm back. I have something to unbox with you guys that I've been finally waiting for. So, can anyone guess what it is? No? Well, let's get into the video and let's find out. Alright, so, a couple of days ago, or when was it, last week, I ordered some stuff from Bath & Body. So, Brittany, thanks to her, because she's obsessed with Bath & Body Works, but she's the one that got me hooked from the beginning when we started becoming friends, when we went to malls, you know, back in high school. So yeah, so she's the one that kind of got me hooked on Bath & Body Works. So, and I have candles from them. I have the hand sanitizer. I have about like 8 of those. I have about like 6, 7 candles, which she did buy me one for Christmas or my birthday. I don't know if I mentioned that, but and then recently she got me for in January the wallflower plug-in. So I never had that. I never tried that. We always use the like general Airwick or Glade, you know, that stuff. So I decided to, and they were on sale, so I decided to purchase 2 more wallflower plugins with the light. So we have 2 bathrooms, like one's a half bathroom, but we're going to put one downstairs and one down by the stairs, and then we have one in our like kitchen, like living room space. So yeah, so let me show you what I got. Okay, so thumbnail. Okay, so alrighty, where do I begin? So for the wall plugins, I got 2 of the same. So they're 2, they light up. They're like this. They plug in, you put the scent in there. And then I got 4 of the wall flugger plug-in packs, the 2-pack. So I got fresh linen. I don't know if you could see, but fresh linen scent. Moonlight Path, which I'm sorry, but I wish they brought this back because I was obsessed with this scent when Brittany would have it in her mist, the shimmer, the cream, the hand soap. Like, I don't know why, but I love this scent. So when I saw that they had this, I had to buy it. And I don't care if this like is a girly scent. Like, I love this one. I don't know about you. Comment down below which scent is your all-time Bath & Body Works go-to. And then I got black tie. I think I have a candle in this. I'm not sure, but what's it called? I know this is like a cologne type, maybe smell. So, but we'll see how it goes. My dad doesn't like the current one we have, which my best friend, Brittany, obviously, she got me, well, she had an extra wall plug-in, and I think it was like peppermint or mint or something, and he was like, he doesn't like that one, so. Then I got, from the aromatherapy, eucalyptus and spearmint, which I think Brittany's mom once had, in the soap, the eucalyptus and something, but I just remember I like that smell, the scent. So those are the 4 scents I got. And then I got the 2 wall plugins in like a chromish blue, I guess. I don't know. But they light up, so 24/7, which is good for a nightlight. So, and they actually stay on, you know, like the light is actually pretty good. So next, which also between Brittany, some people, my ex, you know, for my birthdays and Christmas, they would get me, they have, like, before, they never used to have men, like, products, so, but, now they have, like, colognes, they have the lotions and sprays for the men, and, like, you know, the body stuff, so, I got, because I'm running low, I have got an Ocean, the body spray, then I got the Graphite. I don't know if I've ever had that one before, but Ocean I've had before, so that's a good scent if you're a guy. I have Bourbon over there, and then I think, I forget, it's like a green one. I think Taylor and Brittany got me those this past year. And then Teakwood. So. And then I do have still the body lotion, so, but, yeah, these are what I got as the body sprays, because I was running low, and I saw they had these, so, might as well pick up, stock up, so, but, yeah, so, yeah, each one of those, what is it called? The plug-in was $9. Because I think they were like 3 for $10 or something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't like too expensive. I mean, it was under 100. I was trying to find a coupon code, but I mean, it's worth it, right? Bath and Body Works. So, make sure, comment down below which scent or whatever, what's your favorite from Bath and Body Works. Like, let us know. Or let me know, you know. Because I definitely want to get more stuff from there, like hand soaps and stuff. Like, you know, they have good stuff. I also have the body pillow, or whatever it's called, this mist, like where you spray on on your pillow. I think I have the stress relief and the sleep one, the lavender, or whatever it's called. But yeah, so that's what I got. Thank you, Bath and Body Works. Not sponsored, but yeah. So also, guys, please go to our Instagram page. I'll put it here. Like, go there, tell us what you want to see. We're very active on there. We do lives. We're going to be doing our giveaway soon. We're going to record that video hopefully this weekend. But yeah, let us know what you guys want to see. I know a lot of you want to see story times, vlogs, you know, food videos, you know, just like let us know. We post twice a week, sometimes 3, maybe 4, because I'm testing out the shorts, YouTube Shorts beta. So, and we could see from one video that I posted from the Disney cruise that got almost 900 views. So, And also Brittany's video, her purse, got over 1,000 views. Crazy. But yeah, her last 4 videos, make sure you go check those out because she's been killing it, slaying it, you know, ever since, we won't name the person, but ever since that whole, stupid attack over her video with Taylor, which was pointless. But, you know, we're killing it here. We're killing our channel, you know. We're doing good. You know, we're almost at 170 now. We're doing good. We're increasing day by day. So, yeah, just let us know what you guys want to see. You know, we're here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. And hopefully you liked it. So if you did, make sure you thumbs it up. Comment down below. What's your favorite scent from Bath and Body Works, or what's your favorite product? Make sure you share. And also, if you're new here, we do an array of different videos. We do vlogs, Disney videos sometimes, taste tests, product reviews, lifestyle videos, anything, you know, at the moment, because, you know, as a new channel, you want to just put anything out there and see what people like from you. So, yeah, we post twice a week, Tuesday and Friday, sorry. But like I said, I sometimes sneak a few videos in. So yeah, Michael out. See you guys on Tuesday, or maybe tomorrow, maybe Sunday, who knows. But keep up on our Instagram page because we do, like I said, we are active there. So shoot us a DM, vote on our polls, whatever, follow us, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even though I don't know how to use the Twitter, but all those things. Share, guys, come on, like our stuff. We have fun here. I don't know about other channels, but this is body positivity, always positive vibes here. We don't like to hate. We don't want drama here. It's always positive. So, we love you. See you soon. Maybe Brittany will have another video. Maybe I'll be back, or both of us. Stay tuned. Out.